Alright, I got these Kobalt Low Profile Impact Gloves from Lowe's, the Loop program, and I'm going to do a review on them. So far, they're pretty cool looking. They have like rubber or plastic of sorts on the back for impact, and then on the bottom they feel pretty good. I'm going to be using them for framing and doing shoveling and that kind of stuff. I'm not sure that's the intended application of them, but at the end of the day, to me, what matters with gloves is how they perform over the long term. These feel great. The fit is perfect. It's medium. But the key is, are they gonna break in a couple days? So let's try them out and see how it goes. Alright, so shoveling wasn't too bad. It was pretty good. They feel great. Actually, one thing I should mention is that I noticed while playing with the camera was they are capacitive touch, which is like a great feature. So so far so good, I'd say. By the way, I did not get paid in any way or form to do this, so I just got them for free, and if I don't like them, I can say I don't like them and we'll be in good shape. Alright, so now let's test the gloves doing some framing, and I really care about this application because wood, you know, splinters and all, and they're kind of painful. So if I get 100% protection or very close to it, I'll be like super happy, and I'll give it like 5 stars for sure. So let's see how it goes. Alright, so I've been using the gloves pretty much all day, a couple days. So I've been doing framing, shoveling, and all that kind of stuff. They have performed great. One little thing I've noticed is when I started using them, the capacitive touch appeared to work. Right now, when I try to use them after getting dirty a little, it didn't seem to work. I'm not sure if that's the case. Anyway, just keep that in mind. So as a final assessment, I would say the look is great. They look cool. I love the bumper on the back because when I was doing framing, I was using the back to slide the chips or whatever sawdust out, and I did not get any splinters, so that's a great thing for me. The one thing I can say is I have only been using it for a couple days or a day or so, and the thing is I don't really know how long they will last. So that's something that's important for me because I go through gloves like every month or so. So I'll just keep using them. Hopefully they will last just as well as the ones that I've been using. And if that's the case, I'll probably just buy this just as well as the other ones I buy. I got these ones for free. I don't necessarily expect to get any more for free, but anyway, here's the review for this Kobalt gloves.